Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Walgreens account. If you want to create a new account for Walgreens, then first of all make sure that you have the app installed on your device, or you may also go visit walgreens.com in your web browser. To do it with the app, go ahead and download Walgreens first and then launch the app open. Once you end up in this home page, tap on the human icon at the top right corner and then on the next page, tap on register. Now go through the registration step, type down a first name, last name, an email and create a password. After creating a password, writing down an email and typing down your first and last name, go to the bottom and then click on this I read and agree box and click continue. Right after you do that, you will then be able to create a new account for Walgreens. You can now easily log into your account using the credential that you just created. So that is how you can easily sign up for Walgreens. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.